Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn English with me. So friends, if you wish to be fluent in English speaking, then first of all, you must learn some frequently used English sentences which are used everywhere. This will give you a lot of confidence in the direction of learning spoken English. So today, I will teach you 50 such sentences and what you have to do is practice. Practice these sentences every day at home and make them the part of your day-to-day conversation. So get ready for some very important sentences of daily use. First, I will speak the sentence in Hindi, then I will tell you how to say that in English. So let's start. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you please. As you please. माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे थोड़ी देर हो गई. Oh, I'm sorry, I have got a bit late. Oh, I'm sorry, I have got a bit late. माफ़ कीजिएगा. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. क्या आप थोड़ा धीरे बोलेंगे? Would you please speak slowly? Would you please speak slowly? इसे अपनी ही चीज़ समझें. It's all yours. It's all yours. आपकी बड़ी कृपा है. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. आपको कष्ट हुआ, इसके लिए क्षमा करें. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. आपसे मिलकर बड़ी खुशी हुई. Glad to meet you. और you can say nice to meet you. मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. कृपया अपने आप लीजिए. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. भरोसा रखो. Rest assured. Rest assured. बहुत दिनों से आपको नहीं देखा. Long time no see. Long time no see. कोई बात नहीं. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. देख के, संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. अब चाहे जो हो. Come what may. Come what may. क्या मुसीबत है. What a bother. What a bother. क्या बकवास है. What nonsense. What nonsense. थोड़ा भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. हाँ हाँ ज़रूर. Yes, by all means. Yes, by all means. ज़रूर आना. Do come. Do come. अब तुम जा सकते हो. You can go now. You can go now. चलो जाने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मैं ज़ुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am a person of words. और I keep my words. I am a person of words. और I keep my words. मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I am a spendthrift. I am a spendthrift. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मुझे आजकल पैसे की दिक्कत है. I have financial problem these days. I have financial problem these days. ये एक अच्छा बहाना है. This is a good excuse. This is a good excuse. वो सारे दिन खाली था. He was idle all the time. He was idle all the time. मेरा छोटा भाई अपनी मर्जी का मालिक है. My younger brother has his own ways. My younger brother has his own ways. मैं अपने मन की करता हूँ. I have my own ways. I have my own ways. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I have pain in my hand. Or you can say my hand is paining. I have pain in my hand. Or my hand is paining. कैसे आना हुआ. What brings you here? What brings you here? क्या इससे कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है? Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference? तुम्हें दिल्ली कैसी लगी? How did you find Delhi? How did you find Delhi? मैं शहर से बाहर था. I was out of station. I was out of station. इससे आपको क्या फ़ायदा होगा? What is in it for you? What is in it for you? खोया हुआ समय वापस नहीं आ सकता. Lost time can never be regained. Lost time can never be regained. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's very late. It's very late. वो मेरा बहुत करीबी है. He is very close to me. He is very close to me. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. हमेशा के लिए. Forever. हमेशा के लिए. Forever. किसी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. जहाँ तक मेरी बात है. As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned. जैसा मुझे लगता है. The way I see it. The way I see it. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. कोई चिंता नहीं. No worries. No worries. क्या चल रहा है? What's up? What's up? यह शानदार है. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess. Don't mess. तुम्हारा दिमाग कुछ ज़्यादा ही चलता है. Your mind is hyperactive. Your mind is hyperactive. So friends, these are the 50 sentences for today. Now, what you have to do is practice. Practice these sentences in your daily life. And I will catch you later with a new video. Till that time, take care and keep practicing these. Bye-bye.